Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And so I'm here with Terry, and just wanted to show you one of the tricks that Terry does is he actually likes to tape up the seams as he's putting the sealant on. And that way he can come back and wipe it up nice and easy without making himself too much of a mess.
Anything that gets smeared is on the tape. Just pull the tape and you got a nice clean line.
Yep. And so, basically he's gone around on all the edges for the windows. We just actually took this unit off. We didn't get a chance to come out and take some videos of it, but we took all the metal completely off. And what we found out is up here on this top sheet, the framework up in this area was sunk in about, what would you say, a ½ inch or more?
About a ½ inch.
And so it actually pulled the staples through the metal and was causing the metal to come loose. So I'll put some pictures of that up online. Basically, he added a bunch of studs inside the wall to correct the issues, added some additional blocking to have some new areas to staple through, and then resecured everything. And now he's got it all back together, puttied everything, and applying all the sealant to it. And again, we're using a dripless caulking gun, and it's Boss, and it's the 378 silicone white.
Yep.
And so if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the box, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as we have time. Thanks so much for watching.